What's up guys, babsomotden here, and today's video we'll be talking about the unboxing and first impression of the Oraimo SmartLamp tube. Actually, this is a tube light. I don't know what is smart about it, but let me share with you my unboxing and my first impression. Let's see what this guy can do. Let's get down to business. So the first thing I'll be sharing with you here is the price. Over at Oraimo Nigeria website, this guy goes for just 27,900 naira, which is equivalent to about this price that you can see right here. Now let's unbox it, let's see what's inside. But before we do that, let's check out the pack. Now you can see at the front here, this is the RGB itself, magnetic design, vivid light. It also comes with model number OML501A, magnetic light. And by the side here, you are going to see some features which says 5-level dimming control, 2 color temperature settings, RGB Colorful Mode, and remote control. And at the back of it, you are going to see the Oraimo Store app that you can scan, and the QR code you can scan and download. And also we have the authentication center where you can verify if you got the original or fake. Here you can see the tube light specs. You have battery capacity of 2,200 milliamperes. Working time as claimed by Oraimo, 3.5 to 18 hours. The working time depends on the different brightness level. I'm going to test that in the full review video. Now we have the 305 days warranty and also some certification from Oraimo. It comes in Dawn White. And at the other side here is the same features that we got from this side. That is 5-level dimming controls, 2 color temperature settings, RGB Colorful Mode, and remote control. Underneath it, keep exploring with Oraimo, and at the top, just Oraimo on it. So that is pretty much all you're going to find around the pack. So let's unbox this guy and let's see what's inside. I think that's pretty much it. So the first thing we are seeing here is the remote, and this is how the remote looks. Okay, it comes with a sticker and instruction that says, when you use the remote, please match it with the lamp first. See the instructions for details. Please tear off this label before use this remote. All right, so you can see the model 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 models there, and the M for the model, for the light, brightness, and dimness, and the on and off. And here is this small sticker which you have to remove, okay, so that the battery can come in contact. This is always there just for the battery not to run out. So once you remove this, I think the battery is there. Okay, it's using a small C-How 2025 kind of battery. Let me see how to remove this. Okay, you have to press that little tiny stuff here to the side and bring it out. That is how to release it. Okay, see, there's the battery, and okay, to release it, just press it to the side like this. Can you see it? Then the other finger to bring it out, and it's going to slide open. That is how to put the battery. It's as easy as that. So I think this should be on now. Okay, as you can see. Ew. Wow, it switched it on. So that is it. Let's come back to that. And the next thing you are going to find is the charging cable. This is a Type-C to USB-A kind of cable. So that is that. And the next thing is the user manual or the welcome guide, which is a little bit lengthy, and it's just to show you the package content and how to use it. Okay, it comes with magnetic sheet and power indicator, charging port, and the rest of it. And I think this should come in other languages. Okay, it comes in Arabic and other languages too. I bought this tube light just for product shot, and I'm so happy that Oraimo made one. Now let's open up. Okay, here is one of the package contents you are going to see. This is a magnetic metal, I think. Okay, this is just metal, and this should be magnetic. All right, so is it really magnetic? This is like a sticker with metal on it. Okay, when you peel it off, you'll be able to stick it to the surface you want to keep this guy. So the back of this guy should be magnetic. I think that is how Oraimo made it. It is switched on. Oh, you can control it with one side. You can also change it with this side. You know, we switched it on the other time, so let me switch it off. All right, so this is the guy itself. This is the tube light. Very flat and a little bit strong. I don't want to break it. This looks nice. Switch off. Okay, it's off once again. So it comes with this touch sensor. So once you touch it, it's going to change the mode and the light and stuff. So it looks nice. In case you care to know the centimeter, the length of this guy, let me quickly measure it for you. This guy comes in at 30 centimeters. Okay, 30 centimeters. That means a regular ruler in our country here, which is 30 centimeters. That is the size of this guy. So let me show you the other side of it. At the back here, you are going to see some specifications too, which you can see here. If you want to go through that, you can just pause the video and check it out yourself. And it comes with a very smooth surface, which I like. Nice one. And I think this is where this guy comes in contact with it and hold it in place. I think so. I think so. I thought this should be magnetic. I'm not feeling any magnetic here. Maybe in the full review video, I'm going to share with you my review. And under the side here, you can see it comes with 2 screws and a USB for charging it and a hole here. I don't know what the function of this hole. Later, I'll tell you guys. And the other side, you are going to see 2 screws too. It comes with this polythene covering, which you need to peel off. Okay, that is it. I think this is going to be good for my product shoots and some other stuff that I'll be doing. If you have any question about this guy, you can just drop it down in the comment section. Let's switch it on. Let's test it. This is on. As you can see, this is actually changing from yellow to green. And it's changing to another color, cyan, blue. And it's changing gradually. I think if I press this, it is changing to pink, orange. Okay, that's good. And this is for the mode. Okay. All right. Model 1, Model 2. This is actually showing an RGB light. Model 3, Model 4, Model 5. I hope the camera is doing justice to this. Model 6. Okay, not bad. And I think that is pretty much it. You can also control it from this side of the tube light. Okay, this to control the brightness and this is to change the color. So that is pretty much it. If you have any question, please let me know down there in the comment section. You'll be seeing this in my videos as from henceforth, and I'll be sharing with you things you need to know about it. I have to go through the manual and know how to use it and, you know, do some other stuff with it and share with you the full review. So that's my first impression video. This guy looks nice, and how to install it is actually in the user manual, which you can see on the screen right now. So in case you want to know how to install it, this is it. Just go through that. You can pause the video to see it well for yourself, and that is it. Charging status is also there. Power indicator status, red and green. Okay, and all these are there just for you to know how to use it. That's pretty much all concerning this Oraimo SmartLamp tube or Oraimo tube light. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Please use the discount code bracket to buy from Oraimo. You can also use the discount code to buy anything from Oraimo, and you're going to enjoy 5% discount. Thank you for watching once again. I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.